What's going on YouTube, and welcome back to our channel here at Vagabond Builds. And today we're going to be doing an installation of a Performance Emblem in satin black from Abstract Ocean. So if you guys do happen to want to buy this Performance Emblem, 10% off, coupon code in the description below, and anything you buy through our channel from Abstract Ocean, you will save 10% off. So guys, if you guys do buy through our channel, it does help us out. If you guys do like our content, please like the video, subscribe to our channel, check out our other videos of installations. If you guys have any installation you guys like us to do in Sacramento or the greater Sacramento area or even San Francisco area, we're willing to do the installation. Here's our email below. Email us and we could talk details later. And a special shout out to Calomotive for providing us the Model 3 for the installation. They are a dismantling company and they literally sell every part off of Tesla. So hit them up if you guys need Tesla parts. Here in Sacramento, they do shipping also. Now guys, we're going to go ahead and start this video. Let's go. All right guys, so what we're going to do is we're going to remove this emblem off this Tesla Model 3. And what we did is we used this kind of scraper to get under that emblem. Now you want to wiggle the scraper. Maybe you want to use a fishing line, something to not scratch your paint as you're doing it. That's why I used a plastic scraper. And what I did is I kind of just wiggled it through. Now we took about 75% of the emblem off before the video for the sake of the time, but we kind of just wiggled it through, very nice and easy. We kept it kind of flat towards the car because you don't want to bend this emblem, and keep it just in case, because they do cost money. And maybe, you know, you get tired of the Performance Emblem, but I don't see that happening. But just in case, you want to keep that. So we're going to show you guys kind of how we did it. We just wiggled it through, and we're going to go ahead and take off the rest of the emblem. There you go. Make sure you don't wiggle also too much so you don't get scratched paint. So pretty much we have that double-sided tape, and we're going to have to clean this off, and then we're going to prep the area ready. Let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so we completely removed the emblem itself, and we removed it with adhesive remover. Maybe you could use some gas or things of that sort. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna now prep the surface with the alcohol pad that Abstract Ocean puts in their pack. And when we go ahead and prep it, make sure you get kind of an extensive area like that, getting all the oils off. So when you go ahead and drop that Performance Emblem, the sticky tape, that double-sided tape will stick. Let's use that. And let's go ahead and use the second pad. Just making sure that you get a good job. All right, so we prepped the surface. Now what we're gonna do is we have kind of the outline here. How do we find out the middle? Typically before you would take off that emblem, you would kind of want to center it and maybe mark your S, because the S is supposed to fall directly in the middle. What you're gonna do, I have a kind of a shaded or surface area to where I still see the outline of that old Tesla emblem, and I'm going to center it exactly in the middle of the S, and I'm going to mark my piece of paper with the Sharpie. It's about right there. Okay, and you want to make sure that it's fitting to the eye, it's not off or anything of that sort. But we're going to go ahead and center it. We're going to pick it up a little bit, and we're going to go ahead and tape just the corners for now. So you're gonna tape just the corners, bend it back, and fold it over, and maybe get an idea of how the emblem, or step back and how the emblem is gonna sit. So sometimes maybe you wanna, sometimes you're gonna wanna raise the left side or raise the right side. Kind of get a look right here, kind of how it falls. Or maybe you want to kind of curve it up a little bit more. step away because sometimes you'll see it better. Typically that's where it's gonna fall. We're gonna leave it like this. All right, we tape the corners and we're going to start setting the emblem lettering. And check this out, Abstract Ocean put these kind of on one little pad, maximizing the space. Let me show you guys. So we're gonna go ahead and drop that S first. And I wanna show you guys the back. It has a double-sided 3M tape on this. And we're gonna drop that S, peel that tape off. And that's what it looks like on the back with that double-sided tape. Make sure to have clean fingers and don't touch that double-sided tape because it loses its adhesive ability the more it gets touched. Let's go ahead and drop this. So we're pretty much done with sticking those on. Make sure that everything's all sticky and on. And we're going to go ahead and remove it. Very nice and easy. Make sure you press on your lettering as you're pulling it away. And this is pretty much our finished product from Abstract Ocean, Performance Emblem in Satin Black. Very cool. We're gonna set these aside. Now, guys, it's pretty much done. We greatly appreciate you guys watching our channel here at Vagabond Builds. Again, if you buy through our channel, anything on Abstract Ocean website, you get 10% off. Really helps us out. Appreciate you guys. Any comments, questions, concerns, leave in the comment section below. We'll try to answer them as best as possible. Check out our other videos, guys, for other installations on Teslas. Appreciate your guys' time for watching our channel.